What's up, guys? Sinister with the Drone Network here, and we're going to do another episode of What's in the Package. Now, the package is not here yet. I'm waiting on the mailman to come, so I'm kind of hanging out in the shed here. Just kind of laying low. Got some cleaning up I did over there. Cleaned up the area a little bit to make room for the unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and do that over there. So, Jack is not going to be with me. He's at a surprise birthday party, which I did not find out about until about an hour and 45 minutes ago. So, I want to give a special shout out to my brother Chris, MD95 TSI, the Drone Network, for making this happen. There were a lot of other people involved. I do not have a list of everybody, so I'm not going to name certain people and forget to name other people. You guys know who you are. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, really appreciative of what you guys have done for my son. So, and we'll get to it. The package should be here shortly, so stay tuned. Hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network here. And we have a very special episode of What's in the Package. And if you saw my last video clip, you know exactly what this is. Care package from MD95 TSI. Thanks again to everybody who chipped in and made this happen. You guys know who you are. So, go ahead, Jack.
Address.
Okay, just go ahead. I'm going to let Jack do the honors here. Make sure you cut away from yourself, son. Don't go deep with the knife. Okay, cut the sides. You want me to get it or you got it?
I got it.
Okay. Let me see.
Hold on, I need to cut this. It's got to be cut right here.
Okay, cut the sides. Away from yourself. Thank you. There you go. Don't be afraid to work that knife back and forth. There you go. Alright, you should be able to get it open now. Close the knife. Ooh, yeah. Okay.
I can already smell it.
Okay, relax.
Okay.
What do we got? Whoa, hang on. What is this?
What?
Chuck It FPV. What did you do?
Oh my god!
Hang on. Oh, wow. A Source One. Holy cow. Now I know what he was referring to. Oh, look at that.
What is this?
Yeah, I guess I'm not building...
Push the fart sound button. Oh gosh.
Wow, okay.
Alright, then we got all the props.
Yeah, take a look inside. Slow down, son.
Got some reds.
Yeah, those are all HQ props. Go ahead and here. Let's move this bubble wrap. We got plenty of room on the floor here.
And some purples. Okay, now let's get into it. The best for last. Okay, we got...
I already know what this is. This is my tiny hawk.
Oh.
We already know about that one.
So we've got the... I don't know what this is.
Open it up and see.
Oh, some antennas for our fat sharks.
Not only that, but you got to put one on the bird.
And one
So,
on this.
yeah, why don't you take that out?
The best for last.
Okay.
And then
What's in
we've
there?
got some cameras.
No, what is this? Jack, slow down. You're going too fast.
That's okay.
Open this up, yeah? Oh, I know what this is.
And
This
then
is
these-
okay. This is the Mamba stack.
This is
From
props.
Ryan RDFPV.
Got
Thank you, brother.
batteries.
Jack, you're going too fast. Slow down.
But they sure already know these are batteries.
Okay, what kind of batteries? Let's see what we got here. These are the, okay, here. Go ahead and take it out of the box. Gently. Let's see. It's a 4S CNHL 100C. Okay.
I already know what this is. It's your
Okay, hang on.
SQ12.
Hang on.
It's just your SQ.
SQ12. I'm just going to go on one of the birds.
Some more.
Jack, you're going too fast, man.
More batteries for
Okay.
that, I think.
No, you don't know. Take it out. Let's see what this is. This is a gold bat. 3S LiPo. Okay, this is going to be for the 6-inch. My LHI 250. So, Jack, slow down.
This is nothing interesting. It's just solder.
Yeah, nothing interesting. Thanks, Chris, for the solder. Some real solder, so
Thank you.
I don't have to use the stuff I've been using. Okay.
And save
Hang
the
on.
best for last.
Hang on. You're going too fast.
It's
Open
the
everything
same
up.
thing.
Okay, here's another 4S LiPo. And then this would be another this is another 3S, I believe. Yep, another 3S. So there's two for the 6-inch. And what's this now?
It's the same thing.
Is it another battery? I thought he...
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Cool. 3. I didn't know we were doing 3. That's interesting.
Alright.
Okay.
The best for last. Boom!
Let's see. Look at that.
Dun, 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 dun.
What do you say?
Thank you
To who?
very, very much to Chris and Crystal.
And who else? Everybody else who chipped in, right?
Yep.
You think?
I like it.
You want to tell everybody your new channel name to look for the FPV footage?
It is Jack of all drones.
Nope. Try again. Jack of all quads.
Jack of all quads.
Yes. Yes.
I have to open it.
So, real quick, since he was going so fast, let me take a look in here because he missed some stuff.
Some of them
This is a 16 gigabyte SD card. Jack, don't open that up. That's for Grace. Don't open that up.
This is for Grace.
Yes. You think I'm giving you the... Here's another 16 gigabyte memory card. And we've got... What else we got in here? Oh, here's a Wolf Whoop VTX. That's going to go on 6-inch. Or the TBS over here. Now I know why Chuck kept saying, I know a secret. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I'm going to build this, and I'm going to keep that other LHI 220 frame for Jack's spare parts. Jack, what did I tell you? You're not listening. Put it back in the box now.
Okay.
It was for your sister.
I know. I was opening it to see how
No, you don't need to open it.
I will give it to her.
What's this? This? No, Jack, no. Get over here. I have to ask what this is. What else we got in here?
Where's the battery?
we go.
To this?
Oh, this is the snakeskin. Yeah, I'm going to use this on... Well, I was going to use this on the LHI 220 build, but now I'm going to use this on the TBS Source One build over here. I'm still shocked about that. That's awesome.
What is this?
And then these are the carbon props for the 6-inch. So, yeah, I'm probably going to put these on and run straight away with these and see how that bird flies. So, all right, we got a little bit of work to do, bud. How about it?
Yep.
You excited to get this thing there? We already got a packed charge, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this video, guys. Thanks for watching.
And then he's going to start a new video.
Yeah, and thanks everybody for chipping in and making this possible. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
And yeah, look forward to some FPV footage now.
And watch the next video. It's going to be in the link.
It won't be in the link, but yeah, we'll get it. All right, guys. Check you next time.